Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danial Afiq bin Azlan, and I am going to be talking about the mind map for the summary of chapter 6, which is on e-commerce marketing and advertising. So this is the mind map that I have created. Okay, so we move to the first part of the chapter 6, which is on consumer online, the internet audience and consumer behavior. The highlight for this subtopic is the demographic of the consumers, the broadband and mobile ability of the consumers, the community effects to the consumers, the behavior models, and also the customer profiles. Next, we move on to the online purchase decision. So the online purchase decisions by consumers are affected by the awareness of their need. So the search for more information done by the customers, the evaluation on some alternatives on buying the things that they want to buy, and the actual purchase decisions, and also some post-purchase contact with the firm that they have bought the products from. Okay, and the supporting communication that are related to these purchase decisions are online and offline marketing communication, which is online would be websites, through mobile and through the internet, and offline should be through phones and other offline communications. Okay, so we move on to what consumers shop for and buy online, which is there are two main highlights here, which is the big ticket items and the small ticket items. And then we move on to the factors that shapes the online purchase decision, which includes utility and trust. Next is the how consumers shop. First of all, they shop intentionally, which is they intentionally want to buy something. So next is by using the search engine, and also the specific retail sites that the consumers visit, and also through marketplace such as Amazon, Shopee, and so on. Okay, next we move on to the traditional online marketing and advertising tools. So the traditional marketing tools used are the search engines such as Google, so display ads through email. Email can also have spam, which is unsolicited marketing methods. Okay, through affiliate links, through viral postings, and also through lead generation. Next is this chapter talks about the social marketing and advertising, which concerns mobile marketing and advertising, and also local marketing. And then the chapter also gives a brief introduction about establishing customer relationship, and then about raising issues and questions about products, about about purchasing decisions. And then they introduce a multi-channel marketing plan, and then there are also pricing strategies and also long tail marketing. Other online marketing strategies include customer retention, customization and customer co-production, and also through customer service. Okay, for internet marketing technologies, there are web transaction logs. They use cookies and tracking files. They use database and also data warehouse and data mining. Alright, so and then for the internet technologies, they also include big data and Hadoop. Big data are petabytes and exabyte range of data, so really big amount of data, and it concerns web traffic, email and social media, everything that is related directly through online platform. And it is something that traditional database management system is unable to process, since the volume of the data is really big. Okay, for Hadoop is an open source framework. It can process any type of data, and it is a distributed kind of processing. Okay, next we talk about marketing automation and CRM systems. Marketing automation, they track steps in the lead generation, which is mentioned in this advertising tools down here. Okay, and then the CRM system is to manage the relationship once the purchase is made by the customers. So through this, they can create the customer profile. Next is the costs of online advertising, which talks about the pricing models and also measuring issues. And the metrics used, or they call this as lexicon, the metrics used to measure is the audience size or market share metrics, the conversion to customer metrics, the video ads metrics, and also by email campaign metrics. For marketing analytics are like software that analyzes data at each stage of the customer conversion process, and the stage include awareness, engagement, interaction, purchase activity, loyalty, and post-purchase. Okay, post-purchase stage. And also marketing analytics can help the managers to optimize the ROI and build a detailed customer profiles, as well as measuring impacts of marketing campaigns. Alright, and lastly, this chapter talks about the careers in e-commerce. Careers in e-commerce concerns the position in digital marketing assistant, and maybe we have to search more. It gives us hints on how we can search more about the qualification as a digital marketing assistant to prepare ourselves for interviews and the possible interview questions. So this is a summary of what chapter 6 is actually talking about. Okay, so that is all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.